How to make automatic chicken farm in Minecraft. So first, just get a chest and break 2 blocks right here and place 2 chests. And once it's done, just break another block. And now what you want to do is just simply place a hopper. So hold shift, then right click here to place the hopper. Now get the dispenser and make sure that it faces just like that. Now once that's done, get your smooth stone slab and place it right here. So hold shift again to place it on top of the hopper. Now once that's done, get a redstone comparator and place it behind the dispenser just like so. And place a repeater just right there. Now once that's done, you will need to place another repeater just like so here, which is facing the other direction. Now get some redstone dust and just loop it around right here. So it should be looking like that. Now what you want to do is just get any block of your choice and put it right here on this side. So just place it right here. So 2 blocks and another 2 blocks. And now just simply place a glass block right here. Now it should be looking like that. Now once that's done, get your hopper and place it on top of the dispenser. So hold crouch and place another hopper into this first hopper and another one. So it should be looking like that. Next thing that we want to do is surround the hopper with glass. So I'm just going to surround it. Now once you have done this, so it should be looking something like that. Now get some slabs and just put it on top of these glass right here, just like so. Now we just need to go down right here and get your block and just put it here on both sides of our dispenser. Now destroy 1 block here on the side. Now get a lava bucket and put a lava here on the middle or this place right there. Then get another block and put it right there to block it off. Now once that's done, you will just simply need to get some seeds for the chicken so that you could tame them or so that they could follow you. So I have some chickens right here, and when I hold out my seed, so you could basically make a temporary staircase too. So you could get some blocks and like make a temporary staircase so that they could come up here on our structure. So just hold your seeds, they'll come follow you and just make them go up on this staircase. So as you can see, they have followed me on the staircase, and what you can do is just simply push them in the hole right here so that you could trap them. So as you can see, I'm basically trapping them right here. Now once they're there, you just simply need for them to lay their eggs so that the dispenser will shoot and kill and basically farm it. So just push it all right there, just like that. So as you can see here, you just need to wait for some time and the dispenser will fire the eggs that the chickens will lay just like that. Let's wait for some time. It might take some time, but just be patient. Now, after quite some time, when you open the chest, as you can see, you now have the chicken and some feathers. And that's how you basically make an automatic chicken farm in Minecraft.